Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will be swatching the Modelones Nude Neutral Gel Polish Kit. It claims to come with 6 highly pigmented colors, so we shall see about that. If you're interested in seeing how these colors look, then keep on watching. If you love all things nails, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Let's get started. First color we will swatch is 0013 or 13. I am applying 2 coats of each color to get the best results possible. Also, I am curing for 60 seconds between each layer. Here's what 2 coats of 13 looks like, and it is so pretty. Next color is 0049 or 49, and this is more of a pinkish nude, and I really like this color. I think this is one of my favorite colors because I thought the kit was going to be more of this color range, but I will get more into my opinion about the kit towards the end of the video. After 2 coats, this is what it looks like. Next color is 0957, and immediately it reminded me of melted milk chocolate. It was so yummy looking. And after 2 coats, this is what the color looks like, and let's move on to the next one, 1071. This was another favorite of mine. It was in the nude range that I was looking for. And after 2 coats, this is what the color looks like. Absolutely pretty. Let's move on to 1208. And I really like this color, and I did not expect to like this color because it's like a grayish. It is definitely the definition of neutral nude, and I'm not mad at it. A really pretty color. Next color is 1245, and it's giving a neutral brown color. I'm not mad at it at all. After 2 coats, this is what the color looks like. All of these colors were really pretty. My favorite colors was 49 and 1208. This is not exactly the nude kit that I was looking for, but this is a really good kit for the fall. So I'm going to rate this an 8.8 only because I'm still looking for a perfect nude gel polish kit. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe for more.